People often think that it's only city kids that don't know anything about ag, even though these students in Gippsland have multiple industries in their backyard. They are not aware of how their food and fibre is produced. Hi, my name's Amy Cosby and I'm a Research Fellow in Agri-tech Education and Extension at CQUniversity Australia. I'm also Project Lead for the Race Gippsland project, which is all about raising aspirations in young people in the Gippsland region to pursue future study and a career path in the agricultural industry. And in 2021, we've been running our Agri-tech roadshows, where we've been in contact with over 400 primary and 400 secondary school students, showing them a range of hands-on activities all related to food waste in the potato industry, how animal technology or animal behavioural monitoring technology can be used. We've looked at different types of milk, cow's milk versus some of the more alternatives like almond, oat and soy, and the different nutritional components of those. So those activities have been really great for kids to sort of get a hands-on science and technology-based experience.
I think the milk one was fun.
I learned about protein can make you stronger. The more protein, the more stronger you can get.